The trial of the former National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Olisa Metuh, on allegation of financial fraud to the tune of 400 million naira received from the former National Security Advisor NSA Sambo Dasuki resumed Monday. As soon as the court calls the matter, the former PDP spokesman immediately got up and was walking to the dock when he suddenly slumps. The judge continued with the proceedings as he called on the defense to present his next witness, while Metuh was still lying on the floor. Reacting to the judge's action, counsel to Metuh, Emeka Etiaba, applies to withdraw his representation. He insisted that continuation with the trial while his client is dying is unethical. But the judge rejects the application for withdrawal by Metuh's counsel, asking that he must explain his reasons. While the argument continues, Etiaba applies for adjournment. The prosecution counsel, however, did not object to the application for adjournment, and the judge heavily frowned at the prosecution position for not objecting. He threatens to strike out the case if prosecution is no longer serious. He thereafter adjourns the matter to Tuesday, 22nd of May for continuation of trial. After the adjournment, both counsels reacted to the proceedings.
When the first defendant was called, as was customary before today, he made his way to the dock. And probably the judge saw the difficulty he was encountering going to the dock, which was about 2 steps away from where he sat. As he was turning, what I now found was that he was on the floor. Medical personnel from the Federal High Court was invited, and 2 nurses and the medical doctor came in at the instance of the court registrar, invited them, and all this while Chief Olisa Metuh was on the floor. And he was actually in pain, shouting, and the doctors examined him. And as they were still examining him, the court made its way back to court. I should call my witness. I called my witness, and I said to the court, at this point, I'll withdraw from this trial, because I cannot be representing a man whose health status I don't know. I don't know whether he's alive or he's dead. When I informed the court now ruled that I will not withdraw, that I must go on with the matter.
When the man fell down, the honorable judge had to go back to the chambers and came back to the courtroom around 30 minutes thereafter. Of course, as a prosecutor, I owe this trial the highest sense of responsibility as a prosecutor. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act is clear. A defendant can only stand trial while he's before the court. Now, if the medical personnel had said or given an opinion to the Honorable Court that he needed to be evacuated to the hospital, and I'm asked to comment, what would I say naturally? Going by the law, I will have to say I'm not opposed. More so that the case is adjourned for tomorrow. So my view is that they can go and check him. We come back tomorrow. We continue with the trial.
Metuh, who has been begging the court to allow him seek medical attention abroad, was brought to court in a stretcher. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.